everyone, just starting out, heading out to Smith Lake. Just started on the Twin Lakes Trail out of Wrights Lake. Alright, on our way up. This hike has been so beautiful. There's so many wildflowers, but the mosquitos are horrible. Every time we stop, we're just getting eaten alive. But it's worth it. Hey everyone, we made it to the first lake on our trek today.
First lake, Grouse Lake.
Grouse Lake. I think we're gonna stop here for just a minute and have a snack and enjoy the view. Normal, slight bend in the knee.
Should we stretch for this?
Oh. Okay. All right.
Is that a stretch?
Yeah, you're a stretch.
This is a stretch.
Okay, ready? All right. Hey everyone, it's PC Adventure, and we are on a fun little day hike up here in Desolation Wilderness.
Yeah, we're chilling at Grouse Lake right now. We are doing this as a training hike for the AZT.
Yeah, we started at Wrights Lake, about a 2-mile hike up here so far. We got about another mile to go to get to Smith Lake.
And that's it, just 1 mile.
Yeah, so pretty easy day hike, but we're excited to get up there and possibly do some swimming. We brought a couple floaties and we're gonna have some lunch, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, so we'll see you out there.
See you at Smith.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's roll.
All right. is where it's at.
Let's see what he thinks. Man, that hits her swim spot. Bathing suit drying out. We're in half shade, half sun. That's what's happening here. Sir, yes, sir. Don't be all.
Hey, you're gonna pull my pants down. What are you trying to do? You see something?
What's up? We out here at Grouse.
She's a turd.
You love it. Okay.
Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey friends, it's PC Adventure
And
here.
family.
Okay, cut, redo. Fucking Jesus.
Okay. Okay.
All right. For real this time.
We're so for real. So real.
Okay.
Like Black Eyed Peas say. So real. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.